Here we are talking about digital transformation, in particular the challenges that companies are faced in actually achieving digital transformation. And at this conference we have really released four things that are helping companies to overcome these challenges. One is being able to collect data at the edge. It's a very difficult and expensive task, and so we have created a line of products called Ignition Edge that help companies do that. And with that, we are partnering with hardware companies as well with our Ignition Onboard program to pre-install, pre-configure, and pre-license Ignition Edge on these equipment so they can utilize our drivers and get that data up to a centralized system on-premise or in the cloud. So in particular, we're showcasing the different hardware vendors that are putting Ignition Edge on our equipment, from the Opta22 Epic controller to the Moxa UC8100 and even the Advantech Uno devices that come pre-configured and ready to go with Ignition Edge on them to help companies get the data from the edge effectively up to those central systems. And then from there, it's all about taking that data to the next level and creating applications with it. And that's where Ignition and the Perspective module, which is native HTML5, allows them to build really robust applications that can get data to anybody who has simply a modern web browser on their smartphone, on their tablet, on their PC, smart TVs, whatever it might be. And then we're even going further with the new resource that we have put out on the internet. It's called the Ignition Exchange. That allows people to share resources they've built on the Ignition platform with the community, so we can have that cross-pollination of people from all different industries building on the platform, sharing, and being able to really take their projects to the next level.